India is providing tons of hydrochloroquine to 108 countries. When the President of the United States of America told the press that India must release hydroxychloroquine and paracetamol for international shipment, the Indian nation was cheered on by its citizens to follow through. According to official reports, India is now shipping around 85 million hydroxychloroquine tablets and around 500 million paracetamol tablets to 108 countries around the globe during this pandemic. Now, what do these tablets do? Hydroxychloroquine is an anti-malarial drug which kills parasites and is also used as a treatment for lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. It has shown a positive sign as an antiviral agent against the spread of novel coronavirus. Paracetamol is a known medication for conditions such as fever, cold, headaches, muscle ache, etc., with some of the conditions being prevalent in those showing symptoms of COVID-19 infection. The findings of the effects the drug has on the novel coronavirus and its demand encouraged India to lift its ban on its export, with the antiviral drug being sent to some nations as the country's grants and to others on commercial basis. It is being sent to several nations in the African continent as well as the Latin Americas to countries like Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Colombia and other in Americas, and also in Zimbabwe, Uganda, Egypt and other in Africa. Several countries in Europe have also been the recipient of India's exports like France and the UK. USA in North America has also become a major importer. Among the recipients are also the neighboring countries such as Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Afghanistan, among others. In the latest, India not just sending the first shipment of wheat to Afghanistan, also sent 1 lakh paracetamol and 5 lakh hydroxychloroquine tablets through Ariana Airlines, which was confirmed by the Afghan embassy in India. Afghanistan currently has reported over 900 positive cases of the coronavirus as well as 30 deaths. Most of India's supplies have gone to countries through the Air Force, diplomatic cargo and foreign evacuations charter flights. The actions have not only garnered praise from the nation from leaders around the world but also gratitude for extending a helping hand in this time of crisis, which has in turn cemented India's position as a leader in South Asia. Hello guys, the ebook for the month of December is available on our website. Get an exclusive discount of 30%. Use the code CFA30.